What's up guys, welcome to another episode of Cooked by Multile. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're new here, please consider watching other videos and subscribing, and my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back. Now today I want us to make one of the most common vegetables in a healthy way, because that's the whole point of eating vegetables, to be healthy. Let's go. I start by adding 1 tablespoon of vegetable cooking oil into my pan, and then adding my onion. All the ingredients will be in the description box below. Please make sure to check. And I am going to stir fry that for around 30 seconds before I add the garlic. I'll mix the garlic and the onions together and then cook them for 1 minute before adding the next ingredient. Next thing I'm adding is the grated carrots. I am going to cook them on one side while the onions and the garlic cook on the next. I don't want to mix them immediately because I want the onions to cook more. I'm going to mix them together after a minute. Then I'm adding half a stock cube at this point. Mix before adding the spinach. When making spinach, always bear in mind that they are going to shrink, so whatever size you have while they are raw, remember you're probably going to get a quarter when they are cooked. So mix everything together for around 30 seconds and then add the remaining half stock cube and then mix and cover. Let that cook for 2 minutes and your spinach is ready in 2 minutes. Enjoy spinach while hot. I'm going to have mine with rice and chicken. What is your favorite thing to have with your spinach? Let me know. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in the next one.